How to fix keep digging crashing on Steam. First, go to the library, right click on the game and open up the properties window. Go to installed files and click on this button to verify the integrity of game files. Wait for this process to finish checking. And once this is done, you can go back to the general tab in the same window. And then under launch options, you want to need to type -D3D11. Or you can try -dx11 if the first command does not work for you, and then you can close out of this window. Next, you will need to open up your browser and search for redist. Click on the first Microsoft link, scroll down to this table and make sure to download the 86 and the 64 version, both of these versions. You'll need to download and install them individually. Now, once you have them installed, you'll need to open up your GPU application. So for NVIDIA, it's NVIDIA app. Then go to the drivers section. Make sure to download and install the latest game ready driver. And if you have it already installed, try to reinstall it by clicking this button here. Next, you will need to restart your system. And after restarting your system, you should just open up Steam and hit the play button again. And that should fix the crashing problems. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.